is Tiziana. So I want to make some fluid art today again. So in my last video, I'll link it down in the description if you haven't seen my last video. I made a video where I used this Spotted from Dance Legend, and I'm gonna use it again today. It's black, but I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna use the same mat like I used last time, and I'm gonna do everything same, except this time I want to try and pick it up, squish it with a stamper. This is a flat stamper from Creative Shop. I saw what's name Young Lee video, and she used a stamper, so I want to try it like she did. So I'm going to use my China glazes and 2 of my color clubs, and I'll put the names in the description as well. So this is how they look. I made a few other pieces. And the ones on the stamper, I don't think I'll use them. The stamper, I just use it to squash down and mix the polishes. So let's see if it's dry now. I can get it off. So I just applied some base coat. So I'm just cutting it with a small scissor. I put some acetone on my brush so I can get it to stick. So I'm going to top coat it so I can see right away how it looks. I'm going to put some clear jelly stamper on it first so the colors don't smudge together. came out really beautiful. I'm really happy with that. So I'll make the rest of the nails and I'll show you the final result. I didn't make enough, I didn't make enough of these decals, so I thought for the last one I'll make it white, and this is the last one I have that I made right now. For the other hand I'll make it later, but you have to wait till they dry. So for this hand I thought I would stamp an image. So I'm just going to take some black from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I'm just going to stamp this image. I have to be fast. Like this. I don't know if this is gonna work. I never did this before. I just got the idea. So I hope it's gonna work. So now I'm gonna take this off. Just let it sit for a few seconds. Thank you for watching.
You know my loving is no swipe.